All right, so I want to make a quick video of the Sportster 1200. Got the rear shocks on the bike. Again, these are RFY shocks. I got these off of eBay. I couldn't tell you the price. They were under, I think, $100 bill, somewhere in there. Again, like I said in the last video, I took the stock spacers and the stock shocks, cut those down, and put them in the rubber bushings that are inside of here and cut them to fit this diameter. Wasn't too bad. One thing, make sure you put some grease on this stuff when you're pushing all together, the way it moves and you don't cut into your bushings or anything like that. I did end up putting a spacer on here. You can see that. Basically put the spacer on to get the clearance here between the chain guard. This is actually, I believe, an 1/8 inch and a 1/4 inch spacer. And how I came up with that was just, I put this one in the top, tighten this bolt down, which then basically puts this in line where it needs to be, and that was kind of the distance there. If I could have got one spacer, I'd have had one, but locally that's all they had. So the other thing I did have to do, in the previous videos, if you've seen the chrome strip that was here that had the turn signal on it, I took that off. It actually hit up here, so which worked out. I really didn't like the chrome on it anyway. So yeah. Again, these are 14 inch RFYs. Stock shocks, I think, were 11.5. So it stood up quite a bit in the back, but it looks good. Do still plan to put turn signals on it. Here's kind of a view from the other side. Same thing on the other side. Same spacers, did the same thing. But yeah, not definitely starting to get close to what I'm going for. With the fairing, the seat, T-bars, the rear shocks, definitely getting there. After looking at it, I'm probably gonna put some more black on it. Probably black out like the chain guard and the rear belt pulley back here. Basically just black all that out, and possibly even maybe some of the motor stuff. I may leave some of the motor chrome just to kind of set it off, but yeah, overall really liking the look of it. Again, anybody's got any questions, feel free to ask, and smash that like button. Thanks for watching.